Ew, mosquitoes everywhere.
Gross. Is that mosquito blood?
Yes, mosquitoes.
Welcome to Family with the Linsalot and Gingerific. And yes, of course, their kids are terrific. With Geckos, Buster to Loopy Doo. Here on YouTube, just for you. It's time for Family.
So there's the very beginning of the river. It spawns from there. Flows down, I guess this whole stretch right here is the spring, and then right where it goes under the river, under the bridge here, is where the river actually begins. And over here on this side, oh, they're in love.
They're running away to go get married in some faraway place.
That's the John Sack cabin. A little short dude named John Sack built that thing by hand and lived up here, I guess. Right, Eric?
Yep. Lived up here all by himself. Built it, the whole thing by hand, all by himself. There's a little water mill thing down around the other side that he used to, I guess,
Get
run
power
a little mill or something.
Run
Maybe
a
have
little mill.
Power or something. But
Weird. This is where the river starts. It just like comes out of the ground right up here. We're gonna go get a closer look.
It. The whole thing here is just the spring, and then it goes underneath the bridge, and that's the start of the river. This is the whole spring right here.
The whole ground that just bubbles up under the ground.
Yep.
That's nuts.
Yeah, that's crazy.
100% unpolluted water. Look at it. It's just coming up from underground. Yeah. All that bubbling, it's just coming out from underground. And this is the start of the warm river.
Yep.
Just bubbles out from under the rocks.
All the runoff and then coming out of the ground.
No water, river. Like, let it be. Oh, now there's a river. Crazy. I bet you they get hippies that sneak out here at night and try to swim around like it's the fountain of youth, but I'm talking like clear out there. You can see all the way to the bottom. It's crystal clear. There's like nothing in it. This plant life has got like the best natural spring you could get right here. That's amazing. You could bottle that. You could bottle it and sell it. And drink it. In fact, I'm going to drink it right now. No, I'm not.
That little water mill that guy built.
Yeah. John Sack built that little water mill all by himself after he built that huge cabin by himself. Jeez. In this location, can you imagine how much that would go up for if it actually went for sale?
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's a priceless natural.
It's a priceless natural
landmark.
Look at these seagulls. These seagulls come here because people throw food in for the fish, and they've learned they can steal it off the water. Mine! Mine! Mine, mine!
Look at them just sitting down in the current there waiting.
Just waiting. Here comes dinner. See those birds? Look down there in the water. Oh, shit, that bird. Look how clear this water is.
I know.
Wow.
Can I jump? They're ginormous.
Yeah, those are big ones.
Okay.
Holy crap, look at the size of that mother.
Okay. I'm about to make these fish commit cannibalism with a fish cracker.
Oh my gosh.
See if they'll even get it.
And lame.
Oh, come on, you stupid fishies.
They're too far up. Might have to throw them from the other side of the bridge.
Oh, come on. Those are like the stupidest.
I don't know if you can see them down there or not. They're huge. Look at that trout. How many inches you figure that is, Eric?
Birds are
How many inches do you figure that big one is, Eric?
I don't know. He's a couple feet probably.
He's a couple feet long. He's a whopper.
I don't know.
There you go. Let's see how close we can stay. Go feed that cracker to that bird. Not scared at all.
She's rude.
She's rude. Here, birdie, he's saying. Look, he's trying to get that one up on the pole. Watch it. Jeez,
There's crackers on the
post right there. I wonder if we stood just this far away, if they'd dare come and get us.
Just hold really still.
Yeah. You
This
think?
one. Oh, watch.
They're dive bombing you, Talupi. Yeah, come put your cracker up here. Don't drop your car.
Put it up here, Bubby.
Look. Here, birdie.
Okay, come over here and let's see if let's watch. See if they'll come and eat the crackers. Talupi, come here.
Hey, come here and watch.
Now we have to hold still. Come over here. Come here, now birdie.
Here, come put it back, Talupi. Come here, come put it back.
Put it right there.
No, put it right here. Come here, look. Put it right here and the birds will come and eat it. Here, come let Mom hold you and you can watch. Put the cracker down.
Yeah.
There you go.
Watch. Okay, let's watch real close.
Here they come.
Okay, be quiet.
He ate it. Oh, all right.
That was fun.
All right.
A bag.
That was pretty cool, actually. Feed that bird right there.
Put it on that post right there.
Put in. Talupi, what are you cooking?
This is a sugar.
It's sugar?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. I actually think that's salt, buddy. Does it taste good? Huh?
I taste it.
Taste it? Nom, nom, nom. Oh, that does taste good. He pushed the stool up to the stove, grabbed the pan, and then dumped the salt in the pan. Oh, you crazy boy, you. You're making a mess. You're making a mess. Are you going to clean up after yourself, Chef?
Oh, chicken, tinker.
Oh, yep, sugar on your finger. Taste it. Is it good? Oh, good.
Okay, go out on the grass. Whee! 4th of July! Here, Buster, you want me to light one for you?
Don't get by it, Talupi.
Whoa!
Don't go against the wind, geckos. Turn your back to the wind.
Yeah,
Yeah, like that.
Really windy.
You can do it. Here. Good thing I'm so fat. I'm so good at blocking the wind.
Oh,
Oh no.
hot ember on my toe. Ouch.
Did it really burn you?
Part of it.
Owie.
I felt it on my toe.
Cool. Write your name. Oh, that's so awesome.
Can you tell Buster? There you go. B-U-S-T-E.
R.
R.
Very good. Oh, wow. Hey, Talupi. You like it?
As far away from himself as possible. Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Be careful.
You like it?
Doctor.
Oh, it's so pretty.
What?
Yeah, don't come too close.
Mom's got all of them.
I want her next one.
Will you get it from him, or I'll get it from him?
Oh,
so pretty.
I'm to hold it.
Whoa, wait. Okay,
Hi.
wait. Let me take it.
Good job, Daddy.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool. Watch where it...
Want another one, Lucy?
Buster, come stand by Geckos, kind of.
Hey!
Not too close.
Alright, here we go. Come here. Come down here, I got one for you, Salupi.
Let's take pictures.
Cool. Is it magical?
Oh, it's so magical. Come here.
Oh,
there goes sparkles. Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle star.
Is that awesome?
Oh, what is that?
Say awesome.
It'd be fun to have those on a birthday cake instead of candles.
That would be cool. Write your name. Write Geckos.
G
I
I
something or other. Swirls.
C K
Cursive.
O S.
Oh, jeez.